There is a line, a boundary between the sanctuary of our homes and the vastness of the world outside. It is a threshold we cross to breathe deeply, to feel the sun on our skin, or to watch the stars emerge one by one. And on a deck, this line is not a solid wall, but something more poetic, more permeable. It is the railing, far more than a simple safety feature. A wooden deck railing is the final piece of punctuation in the sentence of a home, the graceful handrail on the bridge between our prior lives and the open sky. Think of it as the frame for a living painting, the view beyond, whether it's a sweeping mountain, an intimate garden, or a quiet suburban street, is the artwork. And the railing is what defines it, holds it, and invites us to pause and appreciate it. The design of this frame fundamentally challenges our relationship with the outdoors. A solid railing offers a sense of shelter and privacy, a cozy embrace that makes the deck feel like an outdoor room, an open one with spaces between its members, maintains a continuous conversation between the deck and the landscape, allowing the eye to travel freely and making the boundary feels less like a barrier and more like a suggestion. And what a profound difference the material makes. Wood, for this purpose, feels almost preordained. It is the natural choice for a structure that stands between a house and the earth. Unlike cold, impersonal metal or synthetic composites that strive to mimic something they are not, wood is inherently of the outdoors. It has warmth that radiates not just visually but almost tactilely, even from a distance. It weathers with the landscape, not against it. Its color softens under the sun and is deepened by the rain, recording the passage of time not as decay but as character. To choose a wooden railing is to choose a living, breathing element that will continue its slow, silent dialogue with the wind and the seasons. The soul of this railing is expressed through the wood itself, and each species sings a different song. Imagine the rich chocolate depth of walnut, a wood that speaks of sophistication and quiet luxury. A walnut railing could be a statement of profound elegance, its grain a swirling dramatic narrative that pulls you in, asking to be touched, to be admired up close. It is a wood that doesn't shout but whispers, creating an atmosphere of refined contemplation. Then there is the steadfast honesty of oak, with its pronounced grain and rugged strength. An oak railing feels timeless, a link to ship decks and old farmhouse. It has a visual weight and durability that promises to stand for generations. Its light honeyed tones glowing in the late afternoon sun. It's wood that is unafraid to show its character, to develop a silvery grey patina over the years if left to the elements, becoming a noble weathered sentinel in your garden. Or consider the clean, bright serenity of maple. A railing crafted from maple offers a more random minimalist feel. Its finer, often quieter grain provides a sense of calm and order, a perfect frame that doesn't compete with the width but complements it with gentle, creamy presence. It is the wood of clarity and light, for a space designed for uncluttered thoughts and peaceful mornings. But the philosophy of wooden railing is found not just in the wood, but in the spaces between the wood. This is where craftsmanship truly sings. The pattern of balusters, the vertical elements that fill the frame, creates the rhythm of the entire piece. They can be simple, square stock, offering a clean, craftsmanlike integrity that emphasizes verticality and strength. Or they can be turned, shaped on a lathe, into the elegant spindles that recall Victorian porches or classic staircases, introducing a note of tradition and refined craftsmanship. Each turned curve catches the light differently, creating a play of shadow and highlight that changes throughout the day. And then there are more artistic expressions. Imagine a series of horizontal cables, slim and taut, strung between the poles. Here, wood and metal meet in a beautiful synergy. The warm, substantial wooden posts provide the anchor, while the thin steel cables all but disappear, creating a railing that is almost entirely built, a barrier that feels invisible, marrying the rustic soul of wood with sleek contemporary sensibility. A wooden deck railing, in its ideal form, ceases to be something you look at and becomes something you see through. I'd love to hear which idea captured your imagination. Share your thoughts with me in the comments below. So until next time, happy decorating.